What's up, guys? It's your girl Amaya coming with some fire. You know what I mean? Your girl's on black, head done. What's up? Okay, guys. So today, Gisa Richards Bay, and my man is waiting for me over there. I'm vlogging, babe. Let's get to the beach. Okay, so now, guys, we're gonna go buy some few things. I mean, yeah.
Look at him.
Hi guys. Okay, so now we're going to have some few things that we need. I was thinking maybe I think hanging out. I'm mixed there, but when I was saying my grapes or I linger on my grapes.
Bro, I think maybe we need to shift the store, bro, because line up is like, oh, it's check out. I don't know. Still out of it's slow there, Laila.
Okay, guys, so now, so pay like you can pay. So pay like if they can pay, it's not good.
It's only mean. You're right. Is it? It ain't no way, bro. If you can pencil it, this trip, please don't ask your brother over there. Because babe, why not you just yahamba? You're just walking around, bro. Stay. Bro, that one never tell me, but they know even Baba's where to do.
In about 2 days, in about 3 years since I dated you. Are you still talking about me like you never? I moved on for the better, you moved on to another. I was down for whatever, and then some. I'm gonna make me things to work again. As the day they pass,
Jinga, bro. Because maybe because I think I must just arrive or something else. I love this. Oh.
Okay.
Pecan peas. In my Ferrero. Overrated. Overrated my Ferrero, bro. But like, nah, my Oreo, bro. Mini Oreo, bro. That's what I'm gonna bro, some 316 year now. Oh God. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Nisho já, gente.
Yes, girl.
Nisho já.
Yeah, she's done it sometimes, but not like that.
Black looks good on you. Has been around range, I would say. Angazi nje, but I was kind of skeptical. So we're gonna drink. We're gonna drink ibhodlela.
Champagne.
Oh, champagne. Okay, cool.
Champagne.
Okay, cool.
Aren't you down for champagne?
Okay, suppose champagne. Yeah, sure. You're right. I think we're done live store now, right? So I'm a buy Fiji because I'm rich. Imagine it's water.
Let's go.
Okay, I saw that.
Plates, glasses,
Okay, so tell me a pair of home. Yeah.
Babe. Hey.
I'm saying ugly.
No, I said you're a gorgeous nigga with a little bit of ugly.
We are a little bit ugly.
Cause you can't be a man and be beautiful. Kanjani manje?
It's cool, yo.
Okay. Mina baby ngicula ingoma yakho wow.
No, ngiyazazi ukuthi of ugly, but I look good with you.
Ooh, but you're not ugly, bro. Who said you're ugly?
When?
Hey, bro, I was singing ngoma yakho. Come on now.
Why are you so close? Why are you so close?
Right now, probably 10 toes down. Right now, probably 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag star.
Okay, guys, so now
Black one.
Stephanie House, we know I start from Sydney, Bolsa number 18. Sylvester for the room, number 18, please.
Domain. The domain. This is equals a last time.
Yeah.
Sister. Papa my boy. Mama boy. Gcwala nge-style. Flex.
Yes, ukuthi ngiriveza
Oh, alahle iliphi
khona siyi-one
siphi sisitepho nesithathwa kuwena ngazi uzosithatha usithathile.
Please check your bag.
No. Solahle islip epizza ishuthi
Asibheke la ku.
uwena silahlele isiteshi futhi abonje.
Now everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. Shadow, I need to go and shadow.
Let's just put this inside and then let me
Yebo.
Ooh, we here. Social Bay. Where are we gonna settle down? Because yazi bekumele siphathe ama-cable out too, bro. Because la mathi asifuna ukucharge ngesikhona ngisho ucela ukuthi besichargise ngisho emotweni. Because the cable besiyithathile thina. Ifaka i-C-type. And I feel like it's a must ukuthi yazi sithole i-power bank. I feel like it's helpful. Futhi mindful kakhulu because most of the time you're around here. Babe.
Yeah.
Not to say that again, bro.
I'm trying to find a way, bro. Ngiyaqumquma ngale. Base uhlale elangeni, bro. If you're gonna sit. Oh. It's wet. It's so fucking wet, bro.
Don't mind getting down, bro.
Let's pay what the
Why not try? So baby, come on.
uhlala now. Hey! Fuck! Ah!
Sorry.
Yo. Bro, I just broke my ankle, bro. What the fuck? Oh shit. Nah. The fuck? The fuck?
This guy, guys.
God damn.
What the fuck?
Yo.
Yini libhlungu ilula usolula. Hey.
Yabona nje. Yo.
Listen, yeah. See you ngabona enye ihack yokuthi ingubo ingalokhu isuka.
But it's gonna be dirty though.
Vele izongcola le ngubo bheya ngithoka understand lokho kumele ngiyiwashe
Super creative.
Yeah.
Super creative, right? If she ain't creative, she ain't.
She ain't popping.
Yeah. She's not stunning, bro. Might be stunning.
Okay, so guys, we have some pizza. What's this? Chelsea buns. Pringles. Some Doritos. Some Oreo. Some love sweets. I love love sweets. I'm a hot. Too late for me. And some F for babe, for you, for the person that's holding the camera. And I wouldn't forget. This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different. We have some champagne. What are we celebrating, bitch?
It's a Saturday.
Okay. Guys, we are celebrating Uguti. We love each other.
Like, we've made it this far.
Yeah, bro.
Just press it there. Oh God, thank you for the sun.
We have some champagne.
Oh.
So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. For real, shout. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Okay. You like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah. Like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like control.
Action formula. Release both grip and dry shot. Mix Active Plus.
Controller.
Deeply moisturize your skin with calm oils. Sandwich. Cheap skin comforting.
I'm sorry.
Okay, buddy. Hey, where you going? babe. Quack, 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 quack. Tingishaye ngbo. Hey, come on. Ubona lama goodies la.
She's probably hungry, bro. Oh, what I mean. Yeah.
Come on. He's probably a guy. Ubona mina cuz yeah. It's a guy. Come on. It's a guy. Come on, book. Uza game. Ufuna mina. Nice, so show step. Yeah, jiga. Ibona mina shothi yakusawa bhe kodwa I think it's a guy. It's not a she. It's a he. Hey. Aye, but come on. That's a guy, my man. This represents the hearts, the strawberry that we wanted to buy. Okay.
I feel like njalo mase yami picnic strip and hlezi ngekho. Bathi sifikile. But it's fun.
It's fun.
Hello, urgency sengaba ukuzama nje ethi angidiscourage bese asasho ukuthi sikhona at least ukuthi sikhona
ukuthi uyobheka right
manje drama sideyinhliziyo
bro iyebuya futhi no stop baby ngiyasaba wayenyasunsila it like this close to me buke babe nayo yangisaba ishy noma mhlawumbe izolwela wena mhlawumbe intombazane ifuna ukungishaya oh shaya sikhwele
bonisiswe address
ukuthi like ngaqama nje kangaka manje
bro yo look at the trees bro.
Look at the view bro. Oh yeah, I've seen it. Whoa.
Hey buddy.
Boy, be safe. That's what pegele.
It's passing off your skin, and before you let me in, I hear
Yo, bro. I wanna dance now.
don't worry, I got you. Do you say I want some more? Got that, got me, I got you. Do you say some slow one? Got that Johnny Al Green and Marvin Gaye too. So love you deeply. Ooh, let me
Don't like mountains. Don't forget only move like once. Like move fast when you go where you want. Not the sound doing what you want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
Sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
we all love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself.
How? Oh, ngiyalibheyilela.
Hayi.
Ngiyalibheyilela. Ha. Ha.
Ngiyobheka kahle.
Hmm.
Uthamba nje. Inyama le. Yamamingani.
Wow.
Awusahambi inganami bese ngizomupha ithambo.
Ha, umshaya ngamathambo. Sashem. Awuyena umngane.
Abasifakelanga lana ama-spices.
Udinga spice on top of lokhu baba lokhu.
Hayi bani.
Base yabuya yazi ngale. Kwenziwani lapha?
Yenzani vele mhlambe nje.
Bayathandaza labapha.
Ngale.
Ngale. Base afana kumnandi.
Kumnandi la. Ikhonto engilumile cabanga.
Khonde kulumela.
La. Hayi yandizwa.
Ish nama ezingifila something.
Kwenzakala?
Nyawe ngana nje.
Ebe. Veze zakho. Zvez. Veze zakho.
La usufuna ikamera yakhe ifini.
Not this. Babonile.
How? Eso ikamera.
Bengene senju. Absolutely.
Beke ubaba netayi ngaka.
Wena kube waba nelona engaka. What's this?
Kube ngaba nani?
Lokhu it's like itayile. Njani? Nini?
Ama-wings la wethu.
Wayile nje pho.
Abawukhasile.
Phela mawusukhathile asasiwini. Sokuyoyini into.
Yeah.
Sokuyi. Sokuyi ngalo. Hayi angazi nami.
No, umngane wakho uyabuya. Uyakhaya.
Buko nawe ngicabanga kanjani Thamba?
Mina.
Wena.
Hayibo. Masengisukayo.
Vele. Usibukani. Wani guys. Uyacaba nayo. Uyalahla.
Nasi inyama buya. Ukasibona inyama. Abule mina mathambo. Wema.
Nyamang.
Sokushima. Wafaka yini ama-fries? Kube vele bayena.
Bukani guys bayenze ama-fries kanjani?
Kube bayekile.
Bukani.
Kube bayekile bro. Yo. Mazambane. I try.
They are dry and fun.
There's no sauce. What's up there?
Bey Khamis, ngizoyenza kube enkulu. Bese wena kuzoba ngathi ayidla. Khamisa. Khamisa ngizoyifaka kuwe emlomeni.
Bro, buwa la ngane. Yo, abantu bethu balokhu bahamba kancane kuba sebekuphi manje? Mese swima la.
Sosima.
Kashona la. Ngithi nobusuku.
Nesixoxe sami manje.
Mese swima. Swimming. Bro.
Baby.
Baby.
Ngilalele.
I'm busy here, bro. Please.
Baby. Ngiyakuthanda baby. I love you.
Yes. Yes.
Babe.
Bro. Bro, what's up? Bro. Bro, I'm happy. Bro, man.
He's laughing.
I'm playing. Bro, this is serious.
Okay.
Bro, what's... Bro, what?
Okay. Now what that does. Baby.
Ngizokuvitoleza ngemuva.
I'm so thirsty.
Ngiyadlala bro.
Babe, uke weza ngapha wena uyazi ukuthi khona iy'toro vele la ey'ningi. Khona ey'ningi.
There's skate park there.
What?
There's skate park over there.
Oh,
And
yeah,
there's-
pull up, babe. It's boat.
Real therapy. Plus therapy and
Bro,
being
looks
in the
nice.
media. Water.
Water, it must walk. Wow, it looks nice this side, yes. Hey, bo, ngaphandle kukhulu kahle kahle. Manje akukho expensive yini lapho esiya khona.
Surely. I think they also got a spa.
Ha? Kunemall. What the?
So right now, we're about to go swimming.
Bekodwa siphathanga impahla.
Swim on dress.
Ha, into soyigodola.
Baga bonke. Angihlezi usho njalo.
Hayi bo put.
Yehla.
Hey! Hey! Hawu. Hey, wena.
I'm capping. I'm capping. Yo, lama glass ngiyabulala ke. Yo,
Awafuni.
bro, for sure I feel it.
Awafuni, bro.
For sure I phukile, man. God damn.
Kupla, awuveza. Awufunda. Content. Ngifunda.
Alcastral.
Alasra.
That's not how you pronounce it, bro.
How do you pronounce it then? Pronounce it.
Alcastral.
Alasra.
Alca.
Alcastra.
I don't know. I don't know the real name. It's pronounced.
Bro, the side.
You like
I forget your side, bro.
It's I can text him. I can text him. When?
I've never been to
Marco
like.
skate.
I can if I was to learn how
No,
to do it.
no. This is where they do it, bro.
Yeah.
Somewhere. Well.
Come, let's take pictures. You are gonna take pictures. Look what I have for you.
Bro, that's it. Zenzeka lapha. Let's go check it out.
Yes, you did. If I did,
You wanna check it out? Which
I thought he was. He asked him that it's fucking super cool. Yo, babe, you get this.
motorbike. Baby, sethenga into pause. Yabanda kodwa la.
Yo, they're beautiful. They're just riding around and around.
And on this side, it's so cold, but it's so pretty. I look pretty. I love my hairstyle. What do you think about it? I think my hairdresser snapped, baby. Snapped, baby. Abongile. Abongile is my first year roommate. Yes, it is. Shout out, baby. Shout out, babe. Shout out. Shh.
Powerade.
Iseleko kuphela kuna acid lokho akunako kunjengo njengoba nje-power nje yazi njani kanti lo njengekho uyikhokhi straight
Hayi Powerade.
thumela vele app na angazi ayiringi kodwa i-app izokhona ukuyivela
Kade kusiya.
And you guys, I wanted to tell you guys for 3K subscribe, please. Like the fact that Lazini, I feel like it's a flex to have 3K people who are following you, who love your shit. Like, bro, I feel like it's a privilege, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. So now we are at the beach, my babe. Babe, vlog me. We are getting down now.
Oh my God, miracles!
Yo, your Air Forces.
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way No way, bro.
Only live once, bro.
My sneakers! Bro, ngeke ngisengikhona ukuza lapho. My Air Force One! Fuck!
Okay, guys, so I'm a phone too. I'm on the phone today. See, I fairly battery and
start doing all I won't cry, you get it. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. The party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. The stakes is argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not ballin' on you day one. We had you, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find a home when you're not here. I'm saying, I can't lose when I'm with you. I suppose I missed the moment. You just do it.
Come, 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 follow me.
Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Balula amigo. Balu love. Aya.
With the big ass hole.
Why pay upalu aya?
Tawanga, this is how I save your number, bro. Your number.
Yes, sir. That's Kobila. Sweetheart hits.
I feel like a shit's swimming soon.
I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like?
Guys, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, you know, because I be bringing the fire to you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. One thing that I've forgotten to say is that thank